Hi guys, welcome back. So today I want to try another bloom technique. I'm still trying to find the right consistency for my paints. So what I've done is I try to get them all to almost the same consistency. I've got my cell activator just a little bit thinner. I did put a bit of a base on the whole canvas. This is a 20 by 20 centimeter, and I'm going to put on a little bit more in the center. It's probably still a little bit too thick, but I'm actually running out of my Floetrol. So this is what I have, this is what we can do, and I hope that my other paints are thick enough. So that's just, I've got so many bubbles here. I know you shouldn't be, but I've been getting, like when the base dries, I've been getting stars. So the bubbles pop when they dry, and then my top layer cracks and I get these stars. This will have to do. Okay, so I'm going to pour my paints. Let's see if I can. I'm just going to use the popsicle stick. Some black cell activator. This is the part that's giving me the issues. My cell activator drops through the colors and the base when drying. So I'm not sure why it's doing that, but I made it a little bit thinner, and I did actually add some glue, so I'm not sure if it's going to be working. Probably putting too much there. Okay, I'm gonna blow this one out. Up too hard. See, I blew too hard. Now I'm on my canvas already. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna try and spin it, see if it wants to move. It's moving. The spinning, I think I need to get a different spin table. This one is just not spinning fast enough or easy enough. I cannot stretch this anymore. I'm gonna scrap it. Add some more paint to my cell activator and see if that helps. So, be right back. Okay, so we're back. I'm gonna try again. I've added some more paint, just paint to my cell activator. Okay, let's see what we can make of it. It was a nice attempt, but it's a goner. I will let it dry and see what it ends up to as, but yeah guys. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.